Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where we will be discussing how to develop positive thinking. Have you ever found yourself feeling negative or hopeless about a certain situation? Do you often find yourself worrying about things that may or may not happen? If yes, then this video is for you. Firstly, it's important to understand that positive thinking is a mindset and a habit that needs to be developed over time. Here are a few tips that can help you in developing positive thinking. 1. Practice gratitude. Take time to appreciate the blessings and positive aspects of your life. Write down at least 3 things you're grateful for every day. This will help shift your focus to the positive things in your life. 2. Focus on the good. Instead of constantly worrying about the negatives in your life, focus on the good. Try to find the silver lining in every situation. 3. Surround yourself with positivity. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. This can be family, friends, or even motivational speakers. Make sure to follow uplifting social media accounts that promote positivity. 4. Use positive affirmations. A positive affirmation is a statement that you repeat to yourself to help condition your mind to think positively. Say affirmations like, I am worthy, I am capable, or I am positive, loudly and with confidence. 5. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness is a practice that involves being present and non-judgmental of your thoughts and feelings. Set aside some time every day to meditate and focus on your breath. This will help you clear your mind and focus on the present instead of worrying about the future or dwelling on the past. Remember, developing positive thinking is a process that takes time and effort. Consistency and practice are key. By following these tips, you can start developing a positive mindset and live a happier and fulfilling life. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button. Please comment down below and let us know if you have any other tips for developing positive thinking. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more positive content.